Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And a couple of days ago, I made some videos on halftone, and evidently now I'm the have-to go-to guy. I had somebody, they didn't send me a file. They wanted a circle of halftones. They told me about how thick, but they wanted parts that weren't halftone. And you could probably do this already sectioned together, but I figured out you could do it this way. So we're gonna hold down the control button. I'm gonna hit P, and I'm gonna make this circle very, very large in like 16 points. And then I'm gonna go and I'm gonna turn that outline into an object. And then I'm gonna go to, just like the other day, I'm gonna go to blur, Gaussian blur, about like that. Say okay, go to effects, color, and if you watch the other videos, I've turned everything off, the colors except for black. And then we get this halftone outline. Well, how do you take that away? Well, there's a couple of ways. We could have started off with that shape, but I was playing around with it. I didn't know that I could do it, but I just drew a box. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page, and then I'm going to go and I'm going to hit T, like in Tom, and you see it puts it up there at the top, and then I can nudge it up just a little bit, like 1/4 of an inch at a time. And then I can control D that, and I'm going to move the center rotation to the center, and I'm going to rotate that. Let's do a little bit different this time. Let's do 45 degrees. Control D. Now, I just found this by chance and it worked. Go to the Simplify tool. It's going to take just a second because it's doing a lot. And then just take away these blocks. And you could actually just click on them and hit delete. But what that did, it took away the halftone. Remarkably, I don't really know why it didn't take away the line, but it took away the halftone. That's a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.